Hi, this is Mayur. I actually come from a real estate and digital marketing background. EdTech is an entirely new industry for me, and Zell has been quite accommodating in that matter. The one unique thing that I actually like about the company is that you have to coordinate with different teams. Like the BD team has to be in constant touch with the CS team and the products team in giving the feedback about the customers and all of these things. So it basically challenges you to think from different perspectives, which I believe is quite an integral part if you're actually looking at growth in the corporate hierarchy.